Last week, I predicted Bitcoin would hit this hole here. And this is what happened. Annoyingly, I actually deleted the squiggle, the red circle, but it's okay. It's not to brag, but it's just to show that, look, this trading analysis stuff, it does work. And these targets that I draw, they're not, it's not like crystal ball stuff. They are calculated guesses. Guesses is the right word, because they are calculated. There's no one's always right. I'm definitely not always right. But this stuff works, and you can make good money from doing it. Where do you go from here? We've almost hit the top of this channel. I mean, this channel could still hold, or, it could be something like that, but I'm going to keep that there for the moment. But yeah, what's realistic in these scenarios? If we look at, past channels, it just ranges until it breaks. And so I am seeing higher prices. Are we going to beat this all-time high? Who knows? But this is the chart that I've got my eye on. It's still just squeezing and squeezing, like this compression here. So until this breaks down, we don't know when, hopefully around about here in the next week or so, and then, unfortunately, alts aren't going to do much, even though they have all been on a nice pump. ETH, this is another good example. It just missed my target, but that's not to say it's still not going to hit it. When the price is round about here, I said, look, we want to break through this, retest this, and then go off. Now that pretty much worked out perfectly. I will make a separate video on when alt season. Someone left a comment. But yeah, the main thing is we need more liquidity. We want Bitcoin dominance to drop. And until those two things happen, then yeah, we're all the liquidity staying in Bitcoin. I'll have a quick look at stocks, because I believe S&P 500 just hit another all-time high. So that's definitely a bullish thing. All the other charts are probably going to be posting something similar. Wow, even the UK one. That's been on a huge pump there. I remember I was with a client, and then it was in this period I had a coaching call with her, and I said, look, this is the time to buy. Don't panic. There is going to be a V reversal out here, and look at that. It's been amazing. Right, gold has been falling. That's another thing that we want to see. I remember I did talk about this briefly last week. I think I was looking at my weekly chart. We hit this resistance point pretty much perfectly. This line goes back many, many decades. So yeah, this should mean that liquidity should start flowing out of gold into other risk-on assets. Silver's going to follow the same trend. US oil is still holding. But going back to Bitcoin, I'm still bullish, like I've been for a long time, if you've been watching my videos. And yeah, there's not really much to say. I'll make some more videos about separate ones on ETH and a separate one on alt season in a bit.